There's only a few safety rules, let's call them safety rules, not really a safety rule, when we are driving. If I can just ask that we don't stand up because you might fall. Right. Also, if we do get close to elephants, which does sometimes happen, just also don't stand up, don't make quick, movements. And it is okay to talk, right? Talking is okay, screaming is not okay with elephants. Right? Those are the easy, simple rules. Anything you would like to see this afternoon and on your stay?
Everything.
Yeah. Everything and anything.
Everything and anything. Yes.
Perfect.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to that. No requests, lions, leopards, anything?
All of them.
All of them. Right, okay, we'll try our best.
We got
five targets. Let's see how many we can get
5
to.
targets.
Yeah.
Right. You are sitting much higher than I am, so if you do see anything that I happen to miss, please stop me. Right.
Cool.
Anyone allergic to anything?
No.
No. Right. All good? Ready?
Good? Ready.
Let's go.
They dipped on us.
Similar time of the year, all within about a month. You can see some of them are about 5 days old and others are born yesterday. So, there's the male. The male is the and we'll still get this. Even though
Right.
all of look at that one.
That's more. Oh, that hurts.
My mathematics is correct. They're gonna he sorts cracks. You see him?
When he's doing that with his ears, what? He's just getting rid of flies, or what does that mean?
Both cooling down himself and taking care of the fly problem.
Okay.
Irritating flies.
Mhm.
So if he flaps his ears like that, elephants can't swim. They swim. They cool down. So they have to have different ways of cooling their body temperature down. So, well, their brain temperature in essence, not necessarily body temperature. Anyone? Copy, taking station. So for them to be able to cool their body temperature down, they have millions of tiny little blood vessels on the inside of their ears. And the reason why they flap it is to down the blood vessels, right? So a lot of people say to cool them down and they flap them like a fan. That's not the case. They're cooling down the blood in their ear. Right, and that then gets cold and then moves through the body. there the brain gets the right temperature. Remember, if a mammal's brain goes above a certain temperature, it cooks like an egg.
Mhm.
So you don't want that. You will die.
Do they ever sleep?
Yes. There's one sitting right up there as well.
Yeah. That's when he turned his head like, come on, guys.
These are all boys.
All of these in front are all boys. All satellite boys.
Wow.
He's about a 25-year-old. Yeah, probably between 25 and 30 years old. So he's sexually mature, but not. If there's a bigger bull that comes into the
feels good, right?
This is called a shongololo,
Okay.
or a millipede is the English name, and shongololo is the slang name in Zulu.
You want it?
No.
You want to, Bob?
Shongololo. Now they generally come out before the rain. So when see the big boy at the back there to the left,
Yeah.
big male.
Okay.
So this is very likely a female that is coming into estrus now. Look at him, he's going to spray mouth backwards now. Look at him. How he's urinating. All that retro blended curls backwards. Urethra is at the very tip of that. Stop, my guy, you're gonna just make this boy angry. Stop. Have you seen the rhino top? He's getting angry now because he's laying on the floor. So, yeah, these males with a female that's an estrus, they don't like because you spray them up again.
look at this. Somebody come look at this.